Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello everyone. So we're going to discuss in this video our assignment topic, including all the details, and we're going to discuss the basic concepts that we're going to use, and I hope you'll have a good experience watching this video. So me and my friend Meshari are going to design a 3D robotic arm, 3D printed robotic arm that can perform the function of human arm. So the objectives of our presentation, we need to introduce what we are going to do, and the concepts and the methodology or the plan that we're going to go through. Our assignment will be focused on building this 3D printed robotic arm. So building this prototype that can perform the basic function of human arm when it comes to movement. And this idea, actually, we chose this idea because of its major advantage. When it comes to implementing ideas or diverse technologies in order to serve an advanced biomedical technology like that. The concepts will rely on obtaining a 3D model of a human arm, and this model should contain some parts, electronic parts. These components should be integrated in such a way that can be controlled by the user. We can consider this application as a very helpful tool to some people who have health issues, amputees, and people who have limb problems. The plan will go like that. First, we're going to prepare the 3D model that we're going to use, and then implement all the electronic parts, and to work things like what we should do when it comes to connecting these components and other parts, and after finishing this design process, we are going to test this prototype and see how it works. Thank you for watching, and have a good day.